Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today's video is going to be a short lesson about flag patterns, right? And the good thing about the flag pattern is that majority of traders actually use this pattern. So the fact that majority of the market or traders use this pattern, there's a high success rate. It's not 100% working all the time. This is not the holy grail, but this is something you can have in your arsenal to help you profit with good risk management. Understood? So let's jump in. What is a flag pattern? A flag pattern is a strong trend continuation chart pattern, either moving up or down. So if it's going up, that will be a bull flag. That's where you get the bull flag. And if it's going down, it will be considered a bear flag. The formation of this pattern start off with a strong move going up or down, which creates the pole. Then goes into a consolidation period that creates the flag before the next move up. It's plain, simple, nothing hard. Flag pattern characteristics. So these are the things you can look for to kind of identify a actual pattern or a flag pattern, right? So the first thing, a strong up or down move with high volume. You need the volume, right? Then next, consolidation period with much lighter volume with a support and resistant trend line. Then, when the flag pattern breaks out, you want to see a volume spike as buyers join back in for the next move. So that means when it's time to break out, you should see high volume going in, and that's going to indicate that there's other people that's trying to join the pattern or join the wave to make a profit. All right. Here we have some examples. This is IMT, and this one is picture perfect. So as you can see, we have the 3-bar right here. 3-bar, 1, 2, 3. This would be considered the pole. So imagine a pole going up, right? And as you can see, each candle that goes, the volume is raising. This one is higher, and this one is going higher, right? Then you go into the consolidation period with the trend resistant line, the resistant line going down, and you have a support area right here. And sometimes I would recommend to draw these trends and support line when you have a flag pattern about to form, so you can actually see it visually, right? And then as you can see, you get the consolidation area, consolidation period with light volume. You see the light volume? And then the breakout, which is this candle, you see the extra strong volume. This is telling you or indication that many other traders are actually was or actually watching that pattern. That's why you see that strong volume and the breakout where it went up. And you could have made a big amount of money or profit in this area. Right? Next, this is RELI. This is not really a good example. Picture wise, it looks good, but with the volume, no. So right here, you get the strong candle, which is identifying a pole, right? Then you get the consolidation period where it's slowly going down with light volume. You see the light volume. And then I also put the support line here and then the resistant trend line going down to show visually what the flag looked like. This looked like a flag, right? And then after that, you get the big rip up. And you can see the volume here on the breakout, which indicates again that many people was watching and waiting for this breakout. So this went from, say, $8.40 and went all the way up to around $8.70 or $8.75. That's big profit right there. Like I said, with proper risk management, this would be a good trade. Next, this one is SRRA, and you can see multiple flags in this picture, right? We start off here. We have the pole. You can see the volume rising with those 2 bars, 1, 2, and the volume was rising. Then you get the consolidation period with light volume. You see the light volume. Then you get the rip, high volume going in. Then you get the next pullback, consolidation period. So this would be the new pole, consolidation period, and then you get a little rip, and then that was really it. Like I said, these patterns do not work 100% of the time. This is not the holy grail. So be cautious. And that's why I say have proper risk management. And that will be my next video about proper risk management. So I think this is the end of the video. Oh, actually I have one more. This is with AMC, right? You get the pole right here. This 1, 2, 3. You get the pole and you have the high volume to basically give you confirmation that this is a strong move. Then you get to the consolidation period, which is the pullback, right? Light volume. These 3 candles, light volume. And then after, you get the breakout. High volume going up. And then continue going up if you was, holding, which you could have, just have a stop loss and just hold it and see where it goes. If it stop you out, it stop you out. If it continue going, it continue going. So this would have been a good trade. So guys, the flag pattern, like I said, this is something you should have in your arsenal. So you should practice these patterns, especially the flag pattern. You can go back and rewatch this video over and over until you get an idea of what the flag pattern is. Or you could go on your trading platform, use demo mode, and try to spot these patterns and get familiarized with how they look, how they move, because not all patterns move like this where it's 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles going up, which will basically be the pole, and then you get the little pullback, and sometimes the pullback is longer than this. You just have to know how to time it and make sure you're getting in at the right time. And that's really it. Just because I have a couple picture perfect example here doesn't mean it always look like this. That's why I say go on the computer, use your trading platform, try to spot some of these bull flags out so you can get familiarized with how they look, how they perform, how they move, so you can get used to it so you don't get tricked out of a trade. Right? So that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like the video, and please share. And thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, peace.